Hello, welcome to Vivek Data Outsourcing. We provide work from home data entry jobs in which monthly you can earn from 15 to 40,000 monthly. This job you can work on a part-time and full-time basis both. So now let's check how you can earn the profit by working at home. So firstly, you have to search on Google Chrome. That is, you have to type for vtechdataoutsourcing.in. This is our company's official website where you can check out all the details and the description regarding each and every project in detail. So this is our company's homepage. Here are the services, the projects which we provide. They are totally 4 projects. We will go in detail later about that. So even you can check out our vision, our company's mission, the values and the services which we provide. So here are the contact us status. Whether you have to visit in the office, you can visit at this office address. The contact details have been given over there. You can inquiry, you can call on this number. Neither you can email us on this, and even you can follow us on Facebook. That is VTech Data Outsourcing. So this is a contact form. If you have to give any suggestion, any feedback, any inquiry, you name, email, and in message you have to type the suggestion, send us. Okay, so this was our home page. Here is the option of chat WhatsApp. If you have any queries, you can even type a message over here and send us through WhatsApp. Either you can contact on call over here, and even the email option has been given over there. So let's now check all the detailed information regarding the project. So in projects, we have 4 kinds of project, that is online, offline typing, manual form filling, digital form filling, and Excel numerical entry. So those who have laptop, neither PC, they can go for online, offline typing, digital, and Excel. And those who don't have laptop, neither PC, even our company have option for them, that is manual handwriting form filling, which will be a paperwork. Okay, so these kinds of projects are both for part-time and full-time, both basis. So now let's start with the first project, which is online offline typing. So this is our first plan, ebook typing plan, where the sign up amount, the security deposit will be of rupees 4,150, where 3,000 will be refundable to you along with your salary, and you will get this contract for 11 months. So agreement sign provided will be provided to you. Here the page of quantity means 150 images will be provided to you. They are UK's unpublished novels, which you have to type it on the notepad as per the original data within 15 days. The type time is for 15 days. In 15 days you have to complete 150 pages, and 100 rupees per page you can earn, just depending on the accuracy. Now here the accuracy percentage has been given on in the first attempt on new work. If your accuracy is between 90 to 100%, maximum full amount you can earn, that is rupees 15,000. And in case if your accuracy is between 80 to 90%, then your earning will be 5,000. And if your accuracy goes below 80%, then your contract will not get cancelled directly, but you are eligible for extra 3 days, which is for rework, where you can recheck all your mistakes, all the files you have to recheck once and resubmit them. That will be your last chance, which will be your free work. In rework, if your accuracy is between 95.1 to 100%, maximum you can earn till 2,500, and that will be your last chance for earning the amount and even for the earning refundable amount. Because in rework, if your accuracy is below 95%, then directly no payment, even your contract gets cancelled of 11 months, not even you will receive the refundable amount. So here are the accuracy parameters, how your errors will be counted. If there is a missing or extra in any of the lines, the 1.9% will be minus, it will be deducted. Improper alignment in each file, 1% minus. Like that, spelling error, word, enter, space, punctuations, any of them is, if there are any missing or extra in any of those, there will be the deductions, the percentage has been given over there. So here 150 pages will be provided to you, and one page consists of 76 lines, not more than that. And in 15 days you have to complete it, and 100 rupees per page as per the accuracy parameters which I explained you. So here now let's check how we will receive the refundable amount. In the first month after successful, you will receive the salary as per the accuracy in the first month. And in the second month after successful, you will receive the salary plus your refundable 3000. It will be added with it. So in the second project, the refundable will be covered. Means you don't need to wait for 11 months contract. Okay. So your TED time is given for 15 days working. It even includes holiday, any government holidays, any Sunday, it includes in that only. Okay. So here the image part is given on. You can check out in the background there is a image like that. The image will be provided to you, and this image consists 76 line one page. So here below the notepad file is given on. So as per the original image, you have to type it on the notepad, the given ditto same as it is. Okay. So now let's check out how the process begins. So whenever you want to register, whenever you want to apply for this project, the agreement, the registration form, the receipt of the payment will be directly mailed to you. After that, once you've done the process, on the next day itself, the data will be directly mailed to you. So when you download the data after 12 at night, neither early morning you can download. So from that only your time starts of 15 days. Then on the 15th day you have to submit it before 11 p.m. at night. After your 15 days, next 7 to 10 days will be the working days of QC department checking. After that, you will receive a proper QC report on your mail ID. So the data will be with you only as a proof which you have worked. So you can even cross verify that report with the data which you have worked. After that, within 24 to 48 hours, the salary will be credited into your bank account. So once the payment structure has been over, then within next 2 to 3 days, the next project will be directly mailed to you. Okay. So, if you want to know the detail regarding this, if you want a demo image regarding this project, you can contact us, neither you can WhatsApp us. Okay. So, now let's check about the second project which we have, that is manual handwriting form filling, which will be a offline work. So, it's hardly a paper work, it will be totally here. It's a USA college university forms. The data and the sheets will be directly couriered to you at your home address. So by seeing in the data, you have to fill those sheets by your own handwriting. So like this, the sheets will be there, and this will be a data format. I will show you later how it works. So firstly we'll check the details regarding the project. So here the sign up amount will be 5150, where 3000 will be refundable to you along with your salary, and you will get this contract for 12 months. Here single handwriting is allowed, means if you are writing only your handwriting should be there, no one can help you in this. Okay. So totally 400 sheets will be provided to you, and one sheet consists of four small forms like back side 2 and front side 2. Like this you can check, this is a one page, front side two forms and back side two forms will be there. So one sheet four forms means totally 1600 forms, you have to complete it within 10 days. So here there will be the labels. For example, if you completed between 351 to 400 sheets, then 40 errors are allowed and 100 rupees per sheet you can earn. Means maximum till 35 to 40,000. If your levels of sheets are lesser, if it is between 301 to 350 sheets, then 35 errors are allowed and 50 rupees per sheet. So, as less as you complete the sheets, the lesser will be the payment per sheet amount and number of errors allowed. So, here now errors you have to maintain, like overwriting, cutting, whitening, blading, erasing. It's not allowed. So, the labels have been given. If you completed, for example, if you completed 400 sheets, And if your errors goes more than 40, like if it is 41, 42 even, then the 100 rupees per sheet will be directly by 2 rupees per sheet. So for maintaining this, even we have suggested one idea, the blank sheets which will be given to you, you can keep the xerox of those sheets. So if you did any of the mistakes, you can directly use immediately the xerox sheets as much as you want, just maintain the errors over here. Okay, so now your maximum your earning is 40,000, but minimum the candidates should earn more than 2,000. So in the first project itself, you will receive half of the refundable, which is 1,500 with your salary, and in the second project you will receive remaining half of the refundable with the salary. So like that, halfly in 2 months your refundable will be covered. Just your earning should be more than 2,000. So how you can earn more than 2,000? When you complete more than 200 sheets in 10 days, then only your income goes more than 2,000 over here. Okay, so by chance, in case if your earning is not more than 2,000, if you does not complete more than 200 sheets, if you completed like 100, 150, how it will be? Let's see. If your earning is rupees 1,000 or more, then only payment will be received to you and next job, but not refundable, because for refundable you have to earn more than 2,000. But this is a chance which is given to you where you will receive the payment and the next job. Okay, so let's see, if your earning goes below 1,000, what it happens. If it is below 1,000, like 500, 600, even 50 rupees, then only you will receive the payment as per the sheets which you have completed. On that you will receive the payment as per your work. Even your contract will get cancelled, not even the refundable amount. So here you have to maintain the sheets which you have completed, and along with that you have to maintain the errors. Most important it is that. Okay. So now let's check how the process in this. So whenever you want to register for this, the agreement, registration form, receipt of the payment, everything will be directly mailed to you. So when you register, when you apply on the day, after that, next 3 to 4 days, the courier will be directly postal through courier. The parcel will be given to you at your office home address. Okay. So, when the courier is delivered to you, that will be your bonus day, and from the next day, the counting days will be started of 10 days. Then, after that, you have to submit it on the 10th day before 6 p.m. When you submit it, when you courier it back to our office address, you have to send us the tracking ID, the receipt which you have submitted. So, it will be a proof that you have submitted on the 10th day. After your 10 days, next 7 to 10 days will be the working days of QC department checking. After that, you will receive a proper QC report on your mail ID. So here, as it is offline work, you don't have any proof of it. So we suggest the customers, before submitting the data, you can keep the photocopy of each work which you have done. After that, when you receive the report, you can cross verify with that. So after that, within 24 to 48 hours, the salary will be credited into your account. And once the payment structure has been done, then within next 3 to 4 days, the project will be directly handed to you. So it was all about manual handwriting form filling. If you want to know the details, like if you want any scanned images and the sheets of data clear image, you can just WhatsApp us. Okay. So now let's check the third project detail, which is digital form filling work. So our third project is digital form filling, which will be totally about form filling only. Here, let's go the details about this. This is a demo image of the work. Here, the software will be provided to you from the company side. In the software itself, the information has been given over here. You can check out. So lower in the boxes, you have to type it by searching upward. So here it's a kind of electronic part, model number, the reference number, the part descriptions, reference, everything you have to fill it in the boxes only. So the installation, everything will be done from the company side on your laptop or PC. access will be given to you. So let's check out now how the detail it is. Okay, so here the sign up amount will be 6,150, where 3,000 will be refundable to you along with your salary, and you will get this contract for 12 months. So totally 5,000 forms will be provided to you like this. You can check out lower in the boxes. This is a 5,000 forms, means this is one form in which it consists 12 boxes. So one form consists 12 boxes, and totally it will be 5,000 forms. In 10 days you have to complete it. Okay, so here there are the labels. How you will achieve it, let's see. If your number of forms you completed between 4,000 to 5,000, then 16 errors are allowed and 4 rupees per form you can earn, means maximum till 20,000 monthly for 10 days work. If your labels are lesser, if it is between 3,000 to 3,999, then 14 errors are allowed and 3 rupees per form you can earn. So as less as you complete the forms, the lesser will be the payment per form and number of errors allowed. So your errors you have to maintain, like there should not be any spelling mistake, there should not be any line or in any numbers, any mismatch over there. The serial number should be proper. The errors here to maintain means exactly the same we want as per the data which has been given to you. So here, for example, in level 1, in level A, 16 errors are allowed. If your error is below 16, you will earn 4 rupees per form. But if it is above 16, if it is like between 17 to 25, then directly no payment, not even the refundable, but next job. But you will not get neither the payment neither the refundable, but you will get a chance of next job over here. But if your errors goes more than 25, if it exceeds more than 25 even, then it will be, the project will be considered as directly cancelled, and even the contract will be the terminated. Even you will not get the refundable amount, neither the work, neither the payment. Okay, so you have to maintain the errors and you have to do the forms as per the errors. Okay, now your minimum, as I told you, maximum your earning is 20,000, but minimum your earning should be more than 2,000. So in the first project itself, you will receive the refundable plus your salary. So how you can earn more than 2,000? When you complete more than 2,000 forms. When you complete more than 2,000 forms, then only, see, if you completed 2,000, then 1 rupees per form. Then only your income will be more than 2,000 over here. Okay. So here, minimum your typing speed should be required at least 30 WPS, and at least minimum you have to give 6 to 7 hours per day working over here. And it will be a full-time work only, where you have to just type over here. There will be no any copy paste, nothing else. So let's go how the process works. When you register, the agreement, registration form, receipt of the payment, everything signed will be provided to you through mail. So once your process is done, then it takes around at least 3 to 4 days to receive your mail. So at least within 3 to 4 days, you will receive a mail of a software. So whenever you want to start the work, you have to inform us. So our department will give the installation on your PC. They will access, will show you how you have to work, the submission, how you have to submit, and how you have to log in it again. Everything will be, the training will be given to you. Okay. So once your work has been started, then on the 10th day you have to submit it as per the given timing and the date on the 10th day. After your submission, next 7 to 10 days will be the working days of QC department check-in. After that, you will receive a proper QC report on the same software itself. The report will be generated over there only, so you have to check it over there, because the data will be with you only as a proof in the software itself. You can cross verify with the data, and then you have to accept it. Then within 24 to 48 hours, the salary will be directly credited into your account. So once this payment structure is done, then within next at least 3 to 4 days, the next project will be handed over to you. So now let's check out our last project, which is Excel numerical entry, last but not the least. So this is a Excel numerical entry data entry work where it will be all about numerical typing job, where the image you can check out, the software will be provided to you through the company. Upper you can check out, there are the rows, numbers which you have to type it in the boxes lower. Okay, I will, let's check firstly the details regarding that. Here the sign up amount will be 6,150, where 3,000 will be refundable to you along with your salary, and you will get this contract for 12 months a signed agreement. Here the labels have been over there, like totally 4,000 rows will be given to you. You can check this, 4,000 rows are there and 15 columns will be there. So each column contains 4,000 rows, means it's totally 60,000 Excel boxes which you have to complete it within 7 days. Okay, and this one box consists of around 7 to 14 digits numbers. So here there are the labels, means it's not compulsory that totally 4,000 you have to complete. It's not compulsory. There are the given labels. If you complete it between 3,500 to 4,000 rows, then 25 errors are allowed and 6 rupees per row you can earn. Means maximum till 24,000 for one project. If your label is lesser, if it is between 3,001 to 3,500, then 22 errors are allowed and 4 rupees per row. So as less as you complete the rows, the lesser will be the payment per row and number of errors allowed. So here now the errors you have to maintain, like there should not be any mismatch in the numbers. The serial wise you have to type it as per the given serial. Okay. So here now errors, like for example in level 1, in level A, 25 errors are allowed. But what though if your error goes more than 25? Let's see. In level A, if it is between 26 to 30, if your errors are 26 to 30, then directly no payment, not even the refundable, but next job, that is a last chance where you can get next job, but not a payment, neither the refundable amount. And in case if your errors goes more than 30, if it exceeds more than 30 in a project, then the project will be directly considered as cancelled and your 12 months contract will be directly terminated, not even the refundable amount. So here it's a riskier little bit, just you have to focus on the numerical, you're typing one, you have to concentrate on the numbers, that's it. And you have to just set a target of how much rows you have to complete, and as per that you have to maintain those errors over here. Okay, so as I told you, maximum your earning is 24,000 for one project, but minimum your earning must be more than 2,000 in every project. So in the first project only you will receive the refundable amount with your salary. So you don't need to wait for 12 months over there for refundable. So how you can earn more than 2,000? When you complete more than 2,000 rows in every column, then only your earning will be more than 2,000 over here. Okay. So minimum at least you have to complete 2,000 rows and maximum is 4,000 rows. So here, as I told you now, 7 days working time is there. It's a shorter period. So it's a possibility that in one project, in 1 month, you will get two projects. That is 24,000 of one project plus 24,000, means monthly income you can earn till 48,000, which is a higher profitable income project. So how this process works, let's check. Whenever you register, the agreement will be provided to you. When the data it will be directly mailed to you in 3 to 4 days. This software will be provided to you. So whenever you want to start, you have to inform us. So our team, our department will take an access over your computer through any desk. They will give you the installation process. Everything will be done from our side. Everything details, the training will be provided to you, how you have to start, how you have to log in the project every time, and how you have to save the project even when you have to submit. Everything will be informed to you over there. Okay, so after that, on the seventh day you have to submit it. The date and the timing will be itself on the software itself. So on that time you have to submit. After your 7 days, next 7 to 10 days will be the working days of QC department checking. After that you will receive a proper QC report on your mail ID. On your software itself you will receive the QC report, sorry. So you can even cross verify that, because the data will be with you, only the software which you have worked on that. You can check the report, you can cross verify with that report. Then within 24 to 48 hours the salary will be credited into your account. So once the payment structure has been done, then within next 2 to 3 days at least, it takes 3 to 4 days to receive next project. Okay. So if you want to know better image clarity, you can just contact us on this now. Okay. So you can check out here the happy clients which we have, our client satisfaction, the growth rate of our company, that is 3,524. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and even on YouTube. So just feel free to drop us a message. You can name, your mail ID, you the message, send any suggestion if you want to give, any feedback if you want to suggest, you can just message and send us. Okay. So now let's check out. You have checked all the details regarding the project. Now let's go for joining process, how it works. So whenever you want to join any project, whenever you want to apply for any projects, if you want any help, you can contact on those numbers. Our office timing will be Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So these are the steps you have to follow for joining. You have to choose the interested project which you are looking for. You have to give your personal details and bank details in which you need a salary, your passport size photo, your address proof on the given mail ID, that is tech data outsourcing @outlook.com. Okay, you have to mail on this, and firstly you have to even attach the payment screenshot. The bank details have been given over there. Along with those details, you have to attach the payment screenshot and send us on this mail ID. So if you have any doubts regarding that, you can just message on over this number. Now there is the option of franchising. Let's see what is work. So this is the best option in our page, franchisee, where you can start up your own business and become our franchisee. As we provide work from home jobs, part-time and full-time basis both, you can sell our projects by taking the franchising. But here the investment will be 50,000 only, which will be not refundable, and you will get unlimited lifetime plans. You can achieve lifetime achievements, it will be. And the documents will be required like two photos, two identity proof, address proof, and your business Aadhaar card proof will be there, should be there. So let's see how you can generate your income by taking the franchising. You will receive 500 off on every computer project, even plus 500 off on manual project which the customers take, and even you will receive plus the 10% royalty income on the candidate's income. Whatever the income earned by the candidates, on that you will receive 10% royalty income from the company. So if you want to know more details regarding franchisee in detail, so you can just contact on this given number. Neither you can drop a mail on our mail ID. Okay. So now last option on the page is, that is contact us. If you want to know the visibility of our office, if you want to know the genuinity of our office, you can just come for inquiry at our office address has been given over there. So face to face you will know how the details works. Even the mobile number has been given over there. You can just feel free to contact anytime on this number, just 10 to 6. Neither after that you can WhatsApp on this number. You can even drop a suggestion, either CV, either if you want to apply for any project, you can drop on this mail ID. Okay. So this was all about VTech data outsourcing. If you have any doubts or queries regarding any of our project, just feel free to contact us anytime after just 10 to 6 on calling. After that you can just WhatsApp us if you have any queries. Okay. Thank you.